I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my husband's dark green dress shirt. My husband loves wearing this dress shirt. He loves that it is the perfect choice for both casual and business occasions. What he really loves about it is that dark green color, it adds a sophisticated hue that adds depth to his outfits, and it makes it just the perfect choice for dinners or even casual outings. Another thing he loves about it is that slim fit design that it comes in. It provides a modern and tailored look without sacrificing his comfort. It's a versatile shirt that he can dress up with a tie, or he can wear it casually with his sleeves rolled up. And the addition of a pocket in the front is a practical feature that adds a touch of utility and convenience to his shirt. And this shirt offers the perfect balance of both style and comfort. And that's my point of view.